Notion AI makes event planning effortless. Here's how you can plan and organize events using Notion AI. So first of all, go back to your screen, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get back to the app, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here the Notion AI at the bottom right. You can go ahead to the Notion AI and then ask them anything. We're gonna paste here like for generating a detailed event planning checklist. We're gonna hit enter, right? And you're gonna see right here they are now doing it, right? As you can see right here, 3-4 months before, establish event goals and objectives, set event date and time, budget, book venue, initial guest list, research vendors and request quotes. 2 months before, finalize and sign, track RSVPs, confirm final head count. Here you get to see the event day, arrive early for setup, post event, collect and organize feedback, send thank you notes, emergency kit contents, first aid supplies, safety pins, ensuing kit, and then you're gonna be able to edit it however you want by clicking that basically the template, right? And you can add your own budget, right, for the event or for the for the event basically. And then if you want more inspiration, you can go ahead and go back. Let me click right here, edit, or I could go ahead right here and click the Notion AI at the bottom left and ask, for example, generate, right? This is another thing that you could do. Generate a template for tracking event. Right? For tracking events, expenses. You're gonna hit enter, and then they gotta do another thing, right? You can see right here they solely did it. So I'm gonna hit insert below, and they're gonna be able to add it right here, right? So with Notion AI, you can plan, organize, and execute events like a pro. Start your next event with ease. So let's run out the count. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.